Hi there, welcome back. I hope you have already watched first part of this series. In case you haven't, the link is in the description. I suggest go and watch it first. We came back pretty late last night after watching that surreal full moon in the White Desert, so started our day a little late. And our plan was to visit some of the local attractions. The best time to visit Kutch is during the Ran Utsav, which happens between November and February. The temperature is very comfortable during this time. Beyond March, the temperature goes very high and it's really unpleasant. And during monsoon season, the entire area gets submerged underwater.
अपना पीछे एकदम खींचेगी स्पीड पकड़ लेंगी गाड़ी.
This is a magnetic field area en route Kala Dungar. Our car is being pulled backwards by the magnetic field. That is something you don't expect to happen, because we were going downhill and suddenly it started pulling us back. Kalo Dungar or Black Hill is the highest point of this region. From here you can get a panoramic view of entire Run of Kutch. This is a fun place to be. You can try local Kutchi attire, take camel ride, enjoy performances of local folk artists, and also visit the 400-year-old Dattatreya temple. From this highest point of Kalo Dungar, what may appear to you as a sea is actually endless spread of the White Run. Even though it was winter, the temperature was going really high. So we decided to go back to our resort, have lunch and then take some rest before we head to the White Desert again to watch the famous sunset. Guys, what you see here is not ice, but crystals of salt. So every year during monsoon, this area completely, gets flooded with water. This is a marshland of salt water, and after monsoon, the water dries up, leaving all the salts behind. On the way back from the desert, enjoy the cultural performances organized by Ran Utsav Committee. Gujarat Tourism Department makes sure to project the entire Run festival as a giant carnival to display arts, crafts and cuisines of the state. So spend your evening in the exhibition areas to buy handicrafts, souvenirs and jewelries. And don't forget to try local Kutchi food and ice creams made from camel milk. Folks, I hope you are enjoying this virtual trip. but I would also strongly recommend you to come here once and experience the great run of Kutch, because as they say here, Kutch nahi dekha to kuch nahi dekha. If you have not seen Kutch, you have not seen anything. With this, I'll sign off today. If you have enjoyed this video, please share, comment and subscribe. Till we meet next time again, stay safe, stay happy.